ceremonial ribbon cutting, the brand new 171,000 square foot Thomas Edison High School of Technology opened its doors to the community. Thousands of people toured the building, visiting classrooms, workspaces, and were greeted by VIP teachers and students ready to showcase the career readiness programs offered at the school.
We're working and we're studying to further our career.
I want them to come in as explorers and leave as our #1 advocate, because they are the future of our workforce. They are the future that we want to help prepare for whatever career they might be interested in.
VIPs from the Board of Education, County Council, local businesses, and more also toured the new facility.
Our students are going to thrive here. There's so many wonderful options. I love what I'm seeing. Very exciting.
This is about access to opportunities. So it's incredible. This is state of the art. State of the art.
The students who come to Edison have tremendous potential. They have tremendous talents and skills, and they have a goal.
We've got a lot of young people out there that are looking to find their way, and you have industries that need skilled employees, and this puts it all together.
Edison High School features more than 18 career readiness programs and services, ranging from cars to cybersecurity and from HVAC to health careers. Each program gives students a head start with career skills and knowledge that prepare them for a job and college when they graduate.
This area is phenomenal. The ventilation, the height of the ceilings, the professionalism of the equipment, everything it's different than what it was before.
Nursing is really what I want to do, so I'm really excited, yeah.
Having one of the skills that Thomas Edison provide is a skill for life. You will never be hungry.
This was an amazing experience, and it shaped my entire life and my entire future for years to come.